Hi, it's Jan Diatri. Great things are happening in the 1 Minute Kitchen. It's a one-pot wonder of Italian comfort food, risotto. Here's what you'll need. 2 cups of either Arborio or Carnaroli rice, 2 quarts of chicken broth, a sweet yellow onion diced fine, a pint of mushrooms sliced and then minced fine, unsalted butter, and a good finely grated Parmesan cheese. This is my mama's recipe, so I'm using her heirloom cheese grater. Once you have all of your ingredients prepped, it's time to cook. In a large pot or Dutch oven, melt 4 tablespoons of butter. Add the mushrooms and cook to soften, then remove them from the pot. Add 2 tablespoons of butter to the pot and cook the onions just enough to soften. Then add the mushrooms back in. Now add 2 cups of rice and cook for just a few minutes. Then pour in the 2 quarts of chicken broth. Cook and stir often until the mixture is thickened, about 30 minutes. Then for the beautiful signature glaze that the risotto is known for, you'll add 4 tablespoons of butter and finally a half a cup of Parmesan. And that's it. It's ready to serve. Add a little more cheese on top and devour your classic pot of Italian soul food, risotto, for dinner tonight. We'll see you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen.
1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.